How to block out noise when trying to sleep. Sleep is one of the most important things every human should get enough of. It is important just like food and drinking enough water to keep our bodies to function properly. Not enough sleep could lead to some serious repercussions. Unfortunately, sometimes there are external problems that exploit our ability to have a peaceful good night's sleep, like undesired bass noise from neighbors or traffic noise which is out of our control. Luckily, there are things you can do right now to significantly block out noise when trying to sleep. Some are better than others, but as long as it makes you enjoy your beauty sleep at night, that's what matters. In this articles, I will be sharing with you things you can do right now to help you get a better rest you truly deserve. Don't forget to subscribe for more soundproof videos. Here are the best ways to block out noise when trying to sleep. 1. Noise cancellation earplugs or earmuffs. If you are looking for a quick simple solution is to purchase soundproof earplugs. This is one of the easiest ways to deal with the situation. My previous girlfriend was a snorer, sorry Mary, and every night was a battle for me because it was harder for me to get some decent sleep at night. But because I cared and loved her, I had to compromise, and what I found was helpful was Heroes Sleep Pretty earplugs, which I got from Amazon. Not only they reduced noise, but they were really comfortable and my ears never got fatigued. 2. White noise machine. It's not the first time I have recommended a white noise machine because it is simply amazing. In most cases the unwanted noise is way beyond your control, and a better way to combat that is to turn all the unpleasant noise and vibrations into white noise relaxed sounds, which furthermore helps you have a deep sleep. If you are looking for alternatives to soundproof earmuffs plugs, then white noise machine is a go-to secondary plan. What I personally enjoy the most is how calming and relaxing the sounds are, makes you have a deep sleep. There are many white noise machines out there, and whichever one you choose to use will help you. 3. Sound dampen the door, now depending on where the disturbing noise is coming from. If it's not from a person next to you and it is coming from neighbors, traffic, or from any other external noise, then you might want to soundproof your room. The best place to start is by soundproofing the door, because most noises and sounds look for gaps to exploit, and because the door is filled with a lot of gaps, noise can come through easily. Their best way to sound dampen the door is by using noise-proof weather strips. I also wrote an article about how to sound dampen a door using blankets. Surely that will lower noise coming in your bedroom. 4. Soundproofing the window. In some cases, the sounds are coming through the window gaps. If that's the case, you might want to sound dampen the windows. There are various ways to go about achieving that, including 1. Using soundproofing curtains. 2. Creating a window sound dampening inserts. 5. Try ignoring the noise and sounds. I am sure you might be saying to yourself, yeah right, but it's funny how people overlook this and start to concentrate and focus on the noise, and as a result, it makes matters worse, because now when you are trying to sleep your focus is on the problem itself, and this will furthermore do more damage than good. 6. Try to shift the focus to something else. This adds more the previous method I've described. By shifting the focus you will surely start to get more drowsy and will fall asleep no matter how loud the environment is. If you are like me and you find it hard to do that, by practicing these techniques will not only help you fall asleep in a loud noisy environment, but will help you with coping with your everyday life. Use some breathing techniques if you find yourself in a situation where you can't sleep because of loud noise. I want you to relax and start breathing deeply and slowly. There are a lot of breathing techniques for sleep. Choose one that resonates with you and use it whenever you have to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share.